Hi there viewers, my name is Nagadin son of Samit Kumar and my mat is card number 01DEP19F1079 and I'm from class DEP5C. So as for today, my lecturer have assigned me to do a practical assessment for the subject electrical equipment repair, which is to construct a few alphabets using jumper wires on a stripper board. So for that, I would like to share with you guys about this assessment through this video. So hopefully you enjoy it. Okay, there you can see the alphabet NAGA, which spells out Naga, my name, connected by wire, jumper wires. So without further ado, let's solder this thing. There you go.